$100 a day for $20. Well,
Yep.
except for if we don't get many more days out of our
If
pass.
we didn't have any deals, if we were paying full price for everything, shoot, this would be like $150. By our passes and gas and food and like if you spend like you would spend if you were just doing this once a year.
Yeah, true. Maybe not here today, but
that's what it's worth. For what we paid for it.
Still like $100 at this rate. Has to get up there more.
Yeah, whether it's a good day or not, huh?
We'll get up here some more. Sure is a pretty day though. That view.
Is that Snapchat, Instagram right now?
No, just recording video. No, I sent a shorter one for Instagram. A little more lively.
What a special way to spend a day.
It is special. Thank you for picking me up.
I'm nibbling.
Nibbling on your pocket protein. It's good to have that pocket protein. When you're up on the lift. Look, I got some.
He looked like a POW with his
pocket
arms behind
protein
his back like that.
You what?
He looked like a POW like that.
Who did?
That guy had his ski poles like.
Just like locked up?
Oh, like a stick tied behind your back. You don't have much mobility.
Guess I'm gonna have some pocket protein.
I've been listening to a book recently. It's called